Is there a referral bonus for recommending candidates for a specific position? The availability of a referral bonus is determined by the policies of the partner organization. To monitor your referral payout status and qualification criteria, navigate to the Referrals section and select the Referral button here. This will display the current status of all candidates you have referred for a specific job position to your partner organization, as well as the present status of your referrals. You can also view your eligibility for referral rewards for any candidate, as well as review your organization's policy for associated referrals. You can monitor the status of applications submitted through social media by using the Social Shares button if the job link has been shared on any social media platforms. This provides a comprehensive overview of the number of applicants and identifies those who have applied via the social share link across various social media platforms. Additionally, it includes information regarding any applicable referral payouts. Thank you for your attention.